Good morning, everyone. Today we celebrate Sri Lankan's Independence Day on the 4th of February 1948. Our country became free. This freedom was born because of the courage and hard work of our leaders and people. Independence means we can live proudly in our own language and follow our own traditions. It reminds us to love our country, respect each other, and protect our environment. We are lucky to grow up in a free nation. As children, we are the future of Sri Lanka. If we study well, help one another, and stay united, we can make our country strong and peaceful. Our flag is a symbol of our pride. When we see it flying high, it reminds us of our freedom and our duty to protect it. Let us promise to keep Sri Lanka beautiful, peaceful, and shining in the world. Let us always remember the sacrifice made for our freedom and work together to build a bright future. Happy Independence Day all. Thank you.